Yo, what's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. I'm back when I hit and smashing up banger. Yeah, man, people, we're back in the music lab and see what we're dealing with today. Yeah, man, guys, we got more vibes. But before we even jump in the track, you don't know, I got to check in with my Don Mafia family, man. How y'all doing? How is your mental health? You been taking care of yourself? You been drinking your water? You been staying prayed up? You gotta stay prayed up, man. You gotta stay prayed up. You gotta drink your water. You gotta stay on your health, you know what I'm saying? Have you been taking steps towards your goals? Have you been staying on your purpose? Don't lie, no. Don't lie, no. Drop in the comment section, guys, if you've been on your shit lately. You know, you've been doing your thing and you been getting things done, you know what I'm saying? Remember, slow progress is better than no progress, you know what I'm saying? Remember that. Yeah, man, guys, but today we're back in the music lab with another vibes today. Today we got the artist no stranger to the channel, you don't know, Najeeriii is back in the music lab. Yeah, man, back in the music lab today until I check out another video from him. This one is entitled No Cap, you know what I'm saying? So I'm guessing my dog not lying in this, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna check out it today, you know what I'm saying, guys. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and like and subscribe button. You know, join in on the littest reaction channel on YouTube, part of the littest family and gang on YouTube. Remember, yeah, trust me, you want to be a part of this family in this game, man. You know, don't want to miss out on future viewer. Be a vibes and be a nice, unless you're a hater. See, if you're a hater, you're lame and you're not on the vibes, you can't cut. We don't want you over here, so you see me. You see me, one of the G's over here, so you see me. Yeah, man. So, guys, yeah, man, today we got Najeeriii, No Cap. We're going to jump right in the track and check him out. You don't know. Najeeriii is an artist over here, so that we like over our channel. The dark flow and everything is very different. So, we Najeeriii over here, so we very, you know, we have hopes to the dog. We think the dog future bright in the music industry. So, we'll keep an eye on him career and see him I deal with. So, without further ado, we're not going to go up the vibe much longer. This is Najeeriii, No Cap. Let's get it.
This is my comeback.
And them really give me an ad at the beginning of the blow video.
Start yours at PurdueGlobal.edu.
The Neutrogena.
Nah, two of them too, you know.
Oh, the Hydro Boost Gel
Cream. Y'all like this. Y'all ain't getting no watching. Move, man. Move up on the bum. Move on the nasty ass, man. Chuck. Like I was saying, this is Najeeriii, No Cap. Let's get it.
Up first this evening, as the authorities try to curb blockade and the developers spoke with one such student and now reported.
Hotspot full up. Black chop to
said that come in, you know, can't get that vibes. Come in.
Like Bob.
I will be
bang. I press the hotspot full up. And every kill up on the black chop. Too much Christian bitch left on his bad gal. Pull up now the chop, sit dwelling now the chop. Cook up.
Christian girl cut and is a bad bitch. Pull up easy, no man.
Bad bitch I been a send it crap that tum up. Glock chip over me make it slam that. Buff your skull so send it chop me tell him congrats. Burn all like a bitch and ya make cocky like she snap panchoro.
Like she snap panchoro. Hey, behave yourself, mama.
Bad man push up the cut that good down. Bang, it says you can't fuck bang. A little idiot not have much cash. Start fuck chop from a small young lad. Raise it up a chip.
Start that. Me start chop from is a small young lad. I want to
one is a rascal, can't say me no for sin and we have all done wrongs.
Can't say me if enough is seen when we all done wrongs.
See this a me I want some fucker pussy. This him I got dead and no can't broke. But me put a chip in at the tip, we couldn't have a shot.
From a pussy test him I got dead and he can't broke. But
and then he cap in my squad it have a catch.
And he cap in my squad it have a catch. Oh, I'm too no man, now catch you at a lie.
Ban it have a traffic on the block. We sell it weed, Malisani, and the crack farmer skulls and every greens and the cabbage what she got. Me walk a tree, so she have in me cock. She have said she got veins, so she tap me on the skull. He got American.
Easy now, man. They better flow crazy, man. They better flow crap up. You see me? Yeah, man. Dag like a chick, man. The flow is nasty, man.
The way probably drop it now the tank is a whole extended family cause she chop. Auntie uncle needs to get chopped from me chop. The skull the breach we get stuck.
Uncle needs to get chopped from me chop. The skull the breach.
Ashley panty bus for real, she get knocked. Once me cock, she suck the
Oh, panty bus for real, she get knocked. Easy.
treat the jets cap. From she bun the weed, she get frost. Blacks just pump the beast, she press gas. The killer them a run the leads, we get cash. Be my fat and it a pouch.
Killer them around the lead to get cash. I want to no man.
3Ds, we get gal. Bang, if I be my job, jazz. Girl, I said the chopper clean like a mineral bad.
Girl, I said the chopper clean like a mineral bat. I want to no.
Been a mat's fraud, all in a mat's class. The girl I say my cocky bigger than large. Press it just take your mom, see the super and shots. Thugs them dark and cheap of one party. They run out the script, move bill a chop fast. And it's color juice, who man, real from far. And then the captain of my squad, it have a catch.
My lord right now. Any cap in the misca that have to catch. I want to no man.
Can't chop on it, have a traffic on the block. We sell you weed, Molly, Sunny, and the crack farmers call send every greens and the cabbage what she got. Me walk a tree, she have in me cock. She has said she got feet, so she tap me and the squad. We got American weed, probably drop it in the tank. All extend, Brizzy had the card full up. And every killer on the block chop. Too much Christian, bitch left on is a bad gal pull up. Chop.
Easy no man, this flat vibes. This too nice man. Come here man, dog floor man, no cap.
Sit twirling at the chop, crack, cook up. Bad bitch have been a send it cramp that too much. Clock chip on me, make it slam that. Buffet skull foot and it chop me tell him can't get. Bruno like a bitch and ya make cocky like a snack pan. Chura any madman push up dove cut that go down. Bang.
Dove cut ya go you be any madman push up dove cut that go down.
He said she want fuck bad. A little he that have much cash. We start fuck chop from a small young lad. Cause he top up a chip and he's a rascal. Cocky can't see me love for sin and me a fall down ranks. The pussy test on me I want some fuck. This him I got dead I know no can't broke.
Pussy test on me I want some, hey.
But me put a chip in and me take a good nabo shot. And then the cap in and me squad it have a catch. Contraband it have a traffic on the block. We sell you weed, Molly, Zanny, and the crack farmers call sell every greens and the cabbage what she got. Me walk a tree and she have in me cock.
Me walk a tree and she have in a. They got mix the American and thing the slang them. The hard slang wicked, you know man. Easy.
She has said she got fiends, so she tap me at the squad. American weed, probably drop it at the tank. All extended funny cause she chop. Auntie uncle needs to get chop from me chop. This skull the breeze, she get stuck. Ashley panty bust the weed, she get.
Regular bombo clad.
I'm tear man, easy. Yeah man, Najeeriii. Yeah man, up and coming you. The youth are bad, flow bad, everything bad. Yeah man, you keep doing a thing. Najeeriii. Yeah man, you don't know I hope see dog over here, so man. Yeah man, we are keep eye up on Najeeriii. Dog, you have a career ahead of you. Your style and flow, everything man. The young youth them, the young youth them are gravitate towards G man. You know what I'm saying? Plus the young to come and give him some time and give him the if he marketing himself right and his stage performance and he come with the right tune them and the right. Yeah man, there's no telling where you can take it, you know what I'm saying? So yeah man, people know where is it, what's your favorite part, was it the you know, the lyrics, melody, beat, whatever it is, the video. Let me know what's your favorite part. Drop it in the comment section, and definitely if you like or show your artist some love and support, let me know that Jambisco Dan send you. Yeah man people, and definitely go ahead, hit the like and subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Yeah man, join the littest family on YouTube, the littest reaction family. You don't want to miss the vibe. Do yourself a favor, man. You know what I'm saying? You the one missing out. Yeah, you the one missing out by not being part of the family. You see me? Yeah man, no cap. Yeah man guys. So yeah man, join the family. I don't know. Let me know what you want me to react to next. Drop your comments. You're gonna get your shout out for pick your song, and you know you're gonna see your comments at the beginning of every video like I always do. You don't know what time it is. So yeah, let me know what you're watching from. Let me know your favorite part. Drop your flags and emojis, all that stuff guys. Yeah man, it's your boy Jambisco. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.